Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem code on Webtoon app. Go to Webtoon redeem code and don't know how to use it. Here's how to redeem it quickly. The first, internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, then that might be a problem for the app. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again, or use the system mobile data. If that is not working, turn your airplane mode on for a few seconds, then off again. After doing that, the second step is open the Webtoon app. If you are not installing the Webtoon app, then install from Google Play Store or App Store, then open the app and log in into your account. And the another step is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then the other step is find redeem code. Tap on setting like top right corner of the three dot options. Tap on setting, then look for the redeem code option. My Webtoon Premium. Click on My Webtoon Premium. Then go to your coin shops. Then click on buy any coins for the app, and the last step is enter the code. Type your Webtoon redeem code on and tap confirm. If the code is valid, your coins or rewards will be added instantly, and that's how you redeem a code on Webtoon app easily. Thank you for watching this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.